Some people are worried about their hives being stolen. This hive here is alarmed, and I'll show you what it does. And it's quite discreet on where the alarm is. The alarm's a 12 gauge blank, and it works in all weathers. There's no electricity, and it'll work 24/7, 365 days a week. It's extremely loud. You can buy these regularly online. You don't need a license to buy them. But the trick to it all is one of these. This is hidden underneath. You can hide it anywhere you like, and it has a little pin which, when you lift a hive up, it pulls it out and it sets it off. So if you want to protect your hives, especially when winter coming and it's getting dark, you can buy one of these, and what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description below.